Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting smartphones of 2025, the Nokia Edge Max. Nokia has been making a serious comeback, and this device proves they're here to stay. With a sleek design, powerful performance, and features that challenge even the biggest names in the industry, the Nokia Edge Max is a phone worth talking about. Starting with the exterior, this phone is a perfect blend of premium materials and futuristic aesthetics. The metal and glass body gives it a flagship feel, while the curved edges ensure a comfortable grip. Nokia has gone with an almost bezel-less display, making the front of the phone look absolutely stunning. The back houses a beautifully arranged camera setup, complemented by a matte finish that resists fingerprints. The brand logo is subtly placed, adding to the overall elegance. With color options ranging from classic black to bold gradient finishes, the Nokia Edge Max stands out in any crowd. Now let's talk about the display. This device comes with a massive AMOLED screen that delivers rich colors and deep contrasts. The high refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and an immersive gaming experience. HDR support makes watching movies and videos a treat, bringing out every detail with incredible clarity. Whether you're browsing, gaming, or streaming, this display does not disappoint. Performance is where Nokia has truly stepped up its game. The Edge Max is powered by the latest flagship chipset, ensuring lightning-fast speeds and seamless multitasking. Paired with ample RAM and storage, this phone can handle anything you throw at it. From high-end gaming to professional video editing, the Edge Max delivers without a hitch. And let's not forget the optimized software experience that keeps everything running smoothly. Battery life is another strong point. With a massive battery capacity, this phone easily lasts a full day even with heavy usage. Fast charging support means you can juice it up quickly, and wireless charging adds another layer of convenience. Nokia has also incorporated battery optimization features to ensure longevity, so you won't be hunting for a charger all the time. Cameras have always been a major focus for Nokia, and the Edge Max continues that tradition. The rear camera setup includes high-resolution sensors that capture stunning photos in any lighting condition. Night mode brings out incredible details even in low light, while AI enhancements ensure every shot looks professional. The ultra-wide and telephoto lenses add versatility, letting you capture everything from expansive landscapes to detailed close-ups. The front camera doesn't disappoint either, delivering crisp and vibrant selfies with excellent background blur. When it comes to software, the Edge Max runs on the latest Android version with a clean and near-stock interface. Nokia is known for its timely updates, and this phone is no exception. The absence of bloatware ensures a smooth experience, and additional features like improved security, enhanced customization options, and seamless integration with smart devices make it even better. Additional features include an under-display fingerprint sensor that is fast and reliable. Face unlock is another option, providing an extra layer of convenience. The phone also comes with stereo speakers, delivering immersive audio whether you're watching movies or playing games. Water and dust resistance ensure durability, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. In conclusion, the Nokia Edge Max is a powerhouse that checks all the right boxes. From its stunning design and top-tier performance to its incredible cameras and long-lasting battery, this phone is built to impress. Nokia is making a strong statement in the smartphone market, and the Edge Max is proof that they mean business. If you're looking for a premium smartphone that delivers on all fronts, this one should definitely be on your radar. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more content. See you in the next one.